Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm doing another cut crease. We are just a Halloween snack tonight. I absolutely live for this time of year. It is October, it is spooky season, and it is time to get it in. Like, I did a little bat graphic liner.
Look at it. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
You guys know, like I said, I live for the cut crease. That's my shit. That's my thing. That's my everything. I'm also wearing one of the new fancy lip products. Anyways, if you want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's get on to it. Am I close enough for you? I hope so. I'm gonna take the Blossom shade from the Afterglow palette from Bad Habit. I haven't been up close and personal with myself in a while, so fix that. Okay. Then I'm going to take this shade right here from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. Then I'm going to take this orange juice shade right here from the Little Plushy palette from Lime Crime. These are so cute. I love them. See that? That just brought the energy that I needed. Delicious. Honestly, that orange juice shade looks so good that I literally had to go get an actual glass of orange juice to celebrate. Cheers. Cheers to pigmentation. Cheers to popping eyeshadows. Yes. ASMR Ashley has returned. And before I go in with a full dark shade, I'm going to go in with this, what is that called? Beans? Oh, I love beans. I love me some beans. We're going to go in with the shade Bean first before we go in super dark. Okay, moment of silence, please. It says beam, like beaming light. Let's continue. Let's forget that happened, please. I can tell I used something shimmery on this brush already. And then just gonna go in full chocolatey brown right here. That brown shade really wasn't doing it for me, so I'm gonna take the chocolate milk shade from the other plushies palette. I'm not gonna go get chocolate milk though because I am lactose intolerant, so that's a big no for me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go in and clean that up a little bit. Clean it up, Kokor. Name that movie. Name that movie. Unfortunately, our beloved Sigma brush that I always use for my cut crease is missing. Yes, she is missing. If you have any information, please contact the local authorities. Thank you so much. Very, very hurt by this. I haven't done a cut crease without her in a long time, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna use this really, really old school Morphe brush. It's very old and I don't know where it came from. I'm going to take this light creamy shade right here And that took a lot longer than it should have to do that cut crease, honestly. I'm telling you, that Sigma brush outsold all other brushes on the market, to be honest with you. Poppin', a mess. Poppin', a mess. Nice. So now that I'm done with the main part of the eyeshadow, so we probably shouldn't have any fallout anywhere else, I'm going to beat the rest of my face really quick, and then we'll come back and finish the rest of the eye look. So we still gotta do underneath, some inner corner action, and then the actual bats. Yes, I'm hype, I'm excited. So I'll be right back. So now we're looking a little bit more refreshed, a little more poppin', and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom, as per usual. And then I'm gonna hit it with some yellow in the inner corner. I'm feeling really fall, really festive. I honestly can't believe I'm living for a matte inner corner right now. Who am I? Who is she? So this part should be fun because I've never drawn a bat before in my entire life, and I'm about to do it on this eye look, and hopefully it doesn't get messed up. I literally searched for cartoon bat, and we're just gonna hope for the best. We're gonna pretend like that first one didn't happen. We did it off camera real quick.
Look at my hat.
That's a lovely hat you have there, Kenzie. The real truth about filming, this is what really happens, okay? I'm opening oranges, showing hats. Now it's time to move on to the next eye, you guys. Now it's time to move on to the next eye, you guys. Everything is new, I'm about to just be a one-eye bat girl because that was a struggle. A little struggle. Ooh, okay, so we just love bats of all shapes and sizes. We're on our way to looking real cute. I'm so excited that I'm finally done with those bats, I'm not gonna lie. Time for mascara, time for lashes. Plot twist, I actually know what lashes these are today. They are the Leti lashes from Araceli Beauty. This was not going how I wanted, but now I'm feeling it. Last but not least, I'm going to take the new Stunna Lip Paint from Fenty Beauty in Unveil. I haven't even gotten a chance to wear this yet, so you're the first to see. This is the lip that this look deserved. Like, are you seeing this right now? I'm feeling like a little snack, like a little Halloween snack. A little candy corn, if you will. Let me know down below, you guys, what videos do you want to see for Halloween or for fall, whether it's just a simple makeup look or whether it's a full, beat, bloody, glam, Halloween tutorial all wrapped in one, you guys. I'm down for whatever, so let me know down below what you want to see. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!